Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to run Python script from command line. The most basic and easy way to run a Python script is by using the Python command. You need to open a command line and type the word Python, followed by the path to your script like this. Then you hit the enter button from the keyboard and that's it. You can see the phrase "Hello World" on the screen. You just run your first Python script. However, if you do not get the output, you might want to check your system path and the place where you save your file. If it still doesn't work, reinstall Python in your system and try again. Redirecting output. Windows and Unix-like systems have a process called stream redirection. You can redirect the output of your stream to some other file format instead of the standard system output. It is useful to save the output in a different file for later analysis. An example of how you can do this. What happens is your Python script is redirected to the output.txt file. If the file doesn't exist, it is systematically created. However, if it already exists, the contents are replaced. Running modules with the M option. A module is a file that contains the Python code. It allows you to arrange your Python code in a logical manner. It defines functions, classes, and variables and can also include runnable code. If you want to run a Python module, there are a lot of command line options which Python offers according to the needs of the user. One of which is the command. It searches the module name in the sys.path and runs the content as. Note that the module name is a module object and not any string. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.